Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to see Street View in Google Maps. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Play Store on your device and search for Google Maps. It should appear at the top of the list after any ads. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Once updated, open Google Maps. Turn on your GPS and ensure you have a stable internet connection. Now, zoom into the area where you want to use the Street View feature. For example, if you want to view Los Angeles, you can either zoom in manually or use the search bar at the top to search for Los Angeles. If you use the search bar, you will see a small image pop up, which is the Street View option. Tap on it to enter Street View directly. If you prefer to zoom in manually, long press on the spot you want to view. After a short loading time, the Street View option will appear. Tap on Street View and you will be taken to that street. You can swipe left or right to explore your surroundings. Use the arrows on the screen to move forward or backward along the street. So that's basically how you can see Street View in Google Maps. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.